online application that was desired, which I have categorically asserted that it was filed online application and there was an undertaking to be given, my lord. So he says that no undertaking was given.
Who is the selecting and appointing authority?
Appointing authority is the CDPO, my lord, the Child Development
It has not been implemented as party.
Yes, yes.
Where is that?
May it please your lordship. Lord, in this case, on the last occasion, Lord, my learned friend had appeared for respondent number 7, who was appearing for the complainant at one point of time, and by the order of this honorable court dated 4/3/21. If your lordship will kindly look to the order dated 4/3/21, this honorable court had directed to file an application to implead the complainant as a party, my lord. In this case, my lord, I have already filed a list of events, my lord, where 3 LPAs have already been allowed by this honorable court against the same, my lord, the selection process. And the case of this two appellants lies on a similar footing, my lord. And in that case, my lord, by division bench judgment, my lord, Who
is the seventh respondent? Who is the complainant?
Complainant is, my lord, one.
Seventh respondent.
My lord, I have already filed.
He had
You
given.
have filed your counter?
Lord, I filed a rejoinder to that also, my lord. A very, my lord, trifling, my lord, the objection has been taken, my lord, with regard to two appellants, out of whom, my lord, appellant number 1, my lord, she belongs to a general category. Whereas appellant number 2 is concerned, she belongs to the backward class category. The allegation on behalf of the complainant is, my lord, that the appellant number 1 had not filed her application, online application that was desired, which I have categorically asserted that it was filed online application and there was an undertaking to be given, my lord. So he says that no undertaking was given. I have refuted both the claims, my lord. And my lord, the complainant himself had come to this honorable court in a writ application, my lord. And in that writ application, he has noted down, my lord, that apart from appellant number 2, none of them had filed the creamy layer certificate, my lord. And here he is saying that no creamy layer certificate was filed by appellant number 2.
Then we have to secure
His
the records.
self-contradiction.
We have to secure the records. Who is appearing for state?
State is.
We have the state
You have the original records.
lordship.
You have original records. Then secure.
The records of my lord CWJC 10866 of 14. This was the writ application filed by the complainant, my lord.
We want records.
Acha.
In order to ascertain who is merited, what is the shortcomings, the present matter, there were counter allegations by the appellants and the 7th respondent Bindu Kumari insofar as selection and appointment to the post of Anganwadi Sevika. Therefore, it is necessary to produce the original selection and appointment records from the concerned authority. District Program Officer, the custodian of the record. Who is the selecting and appointing authority?
Appointing authority is the CDPO, my lord, the Child Development
Child Development Officer.
It has not been implemented as party.
Yes, yes.
Where is that?
CDPO is, my lord, respond number कितना है? Or the respond number 6, my lord.
Respondent number 6 is the district program officer.
He is the custodian of the entire, my lord, the records.
District program officer.
Only one thing, kindly allow me, my lord, if your lordship kindly allows me, then only I can say something, my lord. Lord, the writ applications LPAs have already been allowed. The
LPAs have been allowed.
Allows, my lord. No, not this one. This one is in terms of those, my lord, similarly situated persons whose cases have been allowed, my lord, by this honorable court. And the entire, my lord, the order of divisional commissioner by which the entire selection process was set aside, that was, my lord, quashed by this honorable court.
Now, there is no dispute in respect of merit between the
There is
appellant and,
absolutely no dispute.
then what is the relief sought by the petitioners?
Relief sought, my case also stands on the similar footing because the honorable single judge in this case, my lord.
Sir, it all depends on each individual case, sir. Because selection,
No, I'm trying to impress upon your lordship, my lord, कि my case lies on the similar footing of those cases, my lord, which has been allowed by 3 different courts, my lord, in the LPA and CWJC also, my lord.
no, will it not be person to person? Here, the allegations.
Nahin, that because the main LPA which was allowed by this honorable court,
No, in main LPA means you,
noted down कि only the irregularities were found in case of 5 aspirants, my lord. Their names are also given, my lord, in the judgment in question. And the appellants are not there, my lord, admittedly.
all right, admitted for hearing.
Admit to कितना? Admitted to hearing है हुजूर.
Hearing, now it is listed for hearing.
हाँ, yes हुजूर.
List this matter after 4 weeks.
तो हुजूर एक टॉप में कर दिया जाए हुजूर.
No top.
हुजूर सब केस.
We want to secure the record and ascertain what is the matter. You say that matter is covered.
हाँ तो हमारा कहना ही है हुजूर.
हाँ,
This is my contention for your lordship's kind consideration. And my lord, the
take up everything and counsel for the appellant submitted that the matter is covered by decision passed in LPA number so and so. Their respondents are hereby directed to apprise this court as to whether matter is covered or not.
ये तो 20 में भी ऑर्डर हुआ था, ये सेम ऑर्डर which your lordship is passing की the learned counsel for the
I
state
verify
about 2 years ago.
They are not ascertained. Please give me the date on which a similar order was passed.
हाँ, yes. लो तो, just I'm just giving. About
29.
1.5 years have passed.
All right, sir, what is the date?
I'm just giving. Kindly bear with me, my lord.
Yes, 7th respondent. Matter is covered.
No, my lord. My lord.
I know, my lord, to put a spanner in the wheel, my lord, he will say no. But it is not, my lord, proper and, my lord, correct on his part, my lord. He should assist this honorable court.
Yes, state council, matter is covered.
No, Lordship, this
No.
matter is not, he says, I know, the 7702 2090 Aarti Devi.
हाँ.
My learned friend says, but it is not covered by this case, Lordship.
Why बोलिए? Why it is not covered? So बताइए just आपको.
Respondent about 7 file a counter report. He mentions this.
Yes.
No, you have to take independent decision whether matter is covered or not.
Actual Lordship, just give me. 4/7/2010 advertised or published by selection process in ladies supervisor Lordship. Total post up to 16.
No, we are not asking you facts of the case, sir, whether matter is covered or not. How it is not covered?
Because she is not filed at that time. She is not going to the commissioner or she is not filed appeal. She is not came in plea.
Who has not filed appeal? Appellant.
Egita Singh, appellant,
She
Lordship.
has not filed appeal.
Sir, no, Lordship. It is stated in my counter affidavit, Lordship.
My lord will kindly see the order dated 19/2/2020. 19/2/2020.
The order was passed on 19/2/2020.
My lord.
Come on, since 7th respondent was not served. Therefore,
Just reading for your lordships.
therefore, release this matter next week in order to ascertain whether matter is covered by the cited decision from the respondents, state as well as the private respondent. Release this matter next week.
Although, my lord, if your lordship will permit me, my lord, in that very judgment, I'll just point out this thing, my lord. The honorable judge, my lord, division bench of this honorable court, after looking into the entire records, the irregularities were found only in the cases of 5, namely Jyotishmati Kumari, Rupam Kumari, Usha Kumari, Amrita Kumari and Preeti Kumari. His further opinion was that all the remaining selected lady supervisors were having the requisite qualification and eligibility. It was not proper to fault them for the lacuna, illegality and irregularity found in the case of those 5 persons.
Then why did
And the appellants are not...
that has not been taken note of by the single judge?
That has been... ये तो LPA का बात है. LPA में this was allowed.
Correct, sir.
My lord.
Present litigation is LPA.
LPA.
LPA 1067 of.
And this order was also passed in LPA.
No, single judge has not taken note of the earlier LPA decision.
That time this order had not come, my lord. That time this order had not seen the light of the day, my lord.
All right, see.
Lordship, next week रख के इसी बात पर देख के बस और कुछ नहीं.
No, the state has to say.
The state should fairly say that. The state is not even knowing what the fact is.
State, if you have any doubts, you have to bring the records. On that day, matter will not be adjourned.
Records अपना मंगवा लीजिए.